Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download Among Us for free on PC. If you love playing Among Us on your mobile phone and you want to try it on your PC, in this video I'll show you how it could be possible. Basically, we need a launcher to play the Among Us on it. In our case, it will be the BlueStack 5. You have to simply search for it, and after that you will get its link. Simply click onto it and you will land onto its website, which is the BlueStack 5. And after that, from the link you will be onto its website. From there you can download and then install it. Once you have successfully installed it, then you will be able to play the Among Us on it. Once you have installed it, simply open it up. Once the launcher gets open, you will see this interface. Now you have to simply click onto that search bar which is on the top right corner, and after that you have to search for the game which is Among Us. As you search for it, it will show you this one. Now you have to simply go to the Google Play Store where it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. You have to simply sign in using your Gmail account. Once you do it, you will be onto this page. Then you can simply click on this option for the install, and then the installation for Among Us will start. This is around 500 to 600 MB, so it will take around 45 minutes in the downloading and an installation. Once this time pass, then you will be able to play it. Once you see the option play, click onto it and then it will take a while in the loading. Once the loading gets done, then this game will start. Then you have to simply play it. Playing it is as same as you do it on your mobile phone, nothing different. You have to simply go through all these options and then just simply join a server and play the game. So that's how you will be able to play Among Us on your PC for free. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.